Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, August 14th. Well, you know you're in a pretty cool weather pattern here in the Mid-Atlantic region when some temperatures early this morning are in the upper 50s in the suburban locations of Philadelphia, and yet a secondary cold front is actually headed in our direction. That secondary cold front could spark a few showers, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm late today, early this evening, before ushering in another cool air mass for this time of the year for tonight, tomorrow, and right into the weekend. Temperatures tonight will drop to very comfortable levels, way down into the 50s in most locations along the I-95 corridor, and the low humidity, comfortable temperatures will continue on Friday and Saturday as well. Humidity will begin to creep up again on Sunday and Monday as another cold front approaches the Mid-Atlantic region, and the weather will become more unsettled with an increasing chance for showers and thunderstorms early next week. Well, let's start off by looking at the latest surface map. First of all, yesterday's heavy rain is way up now across northern New England. That indeed turned out to be a heavy rain event up and down the I-95 corridor. Some of the extreme numbers were rather remarkable. More than 8 inches of rain around BWI Airport in Maryland. Anywhere from 5 to 6 inches or so of rain across central and eastern New Jersey. And of course, Long Island was hit the hardest, with Islip region getting upwards of 13 or so inches of rain in a short period of time from this recent heavy rain event. Meanwhile, a secondary cold front is now pushing into the Mid-Atlantic region. It could spark a few late-day showers, maybe even isolated thunderstorm or two. Nothing on the heavy side, and this morning should be mostly sunny, but then there will be noticeable increase in clouds this afternoon ahead of the secondary cold frontal system. The best chance for some showers will be north and east of the Mason-Dixon line, the Pennsylvania-Maryland border. D.C. region will likely stay in the clear in terms of any late-day showers, but Philly and certainly New York City can experience a few showers at the end of the afternoon and into the early part of the evening. All of that will be followed by another reinforcing cool Canadian air mass for Friday and Saturday. Well, as we mentioned a moment ago, mostly clear skies right now up and down the I-95 corridor between D.C. and New York City. All the rain from yesterday's heavy rain event is up across northern New England, pushing into southeastern Canada. Clouds will increase this afternoon. We'll notice some cumulus clouds building up, and again, there can be a few late-day showers, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm, primarily north and east of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border later this afternoon into the early part of the evening. Clear skies upstream over the western Great Lakes bodes well for the Mid-Atlantic region for Friday and Saturday. Indeed, the high pressure from this region will move in and control the weather. Very comfortable temperatures and humidity from tonight right through Saturday. Humidity begins to creep up again on Sunday and Monday, but no heat is really in sight. In fact, no 90-degree temperatures anywhere up and down the I-95 corridor is expected right into the early or middle part of next week at the earliest. Well, before we take a look at computer forecast maps for the surface, let's take a look at the current upper level map. This is 500 millibars. We talked about this the last few days. Very unusually deep upper level low for this time of the year, situated right over the northern Great Lakes, southeastern part of Canada. Very chilly air in the upper part of the atmosphere. This will destabilize the atmosphere a little bit, and as that secondary cool front pushes into the I-95 corridor, it certainly can spark a few showers, maybe even isolated thunderstorm or two. Upstream, high pressure at all levels of the atmosphere over the northern plains, western Great Lakes will then move into the Mid-Atlantic region for Friday and Saturday. Now, how about at the surface? This is the computer forecast for this evening from last night's 0Z GFS model run. Notice a little bit of an area of precipitation here depicted by the GFS model for early this evening. Again, a secondary cold front right in this position here. Could set off a few showers, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm, especially north and east of the Pennsylvania-Maryland border, mid to late afternoon into the early part of the evening. High pressure right upstream, right on its heels across western Great Lakes by early this evening. Let's now jump ahead to Friday morning. By tomorrow morning, that area of light precipitation off the east coast and high pressure takes control. Certainly great sleeping weather expected overnight tonight. Temperatures should drop way down into the 50s, especially in the suburbs of the big cities, but even in the big cities along I-95, there can be some isolated upper 50s early tomorrow. Just a spectacular day on Friday with this high pressure in control of the weather in the Mid-Atlantic region. Tomorrow night we'll bring another nice night for sleeping. Very comfortable temperatures and humidity levels on Friday evening into the overnight hours into Saturday as high pressure continues to remain in control. Let's now jump ahead to Saturday morning's forecast map. Another great day on Saturday. High pressure remains in control. Mostly sunny skies up and down the I-95 corridor between D.C. and New York City. Comfortable temperatures and humidity levels. By Sunday, that high starts to slip off the coast, and we start to get a little bit of a backflow of southwesterly air moving into the Mid-Atlantic region. Humidity levels will creep up on Sunday and Monday, as will the threat for some showers and thunderstorms. By Tuesday, there could be kind of a widespread shower and thunderstorm event as the next cold front and an associated low-pressure system move into the Mid-Atlantic region. So very nice weather right through the first half of the weekend, and then there will be a creep up in humidity levels on Sunday. That's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.